All right, our next shape for volume and surface area is just pyramids, not pyramids and cones. We did cones already. So pyramid is similar to a cone because it only has one base, but cones, the base is always a circle, and our bases can be different shapes. So I can see in this pyramid, this is a square. But it could be a square, it could be a rectangle, it could be a regular polygon, it could be a triangle. There's lots of different things it could be, okay? So here we go. Again, we need to know the difference between slant height and regular height. We know slant height is going down the side. Now, it's going down the middle of the triangle on the face right here. This triangle goes through the middle, not on the like edge over here. It goes through the middle. And the regular height goes from the tip down to the middle of the base, okay? So you need to know the difference between slant height and regular height again. So here we go. Our formula is 1/2 PL for lateral surface area. We know P already is the perimeter of the base. So you got to add the sides of the base together. L, we know that's our slant height. For total surface area, 1/2 PL again, so perimeter of the base and slant height again, plus big B, which is the area of the base. And since our base is different shapes this time, that means we got to pick a formula. So you're going to have to pick something else. You don't always do the same formula for pyramid. So for volume, here's our formula, 1/3 big B times H. This is the same formula we use for cones, where big B is the area of the base, but cones was always a circle, so we always use pi r squared. For pyramids, you need to pick a formula. So if it's a square, we pick B times H. If it's a triangle, 1/2 B times H. If it's a polygon, 1/2 AP, okay? And then H is just the height of the pyramid, the one that goes through the middle. So let's do some examples. So number 1 says find the lateral surface area. So I read what it's asking me to do. Oh, lateral surface area. I'm writing my formula. 1/2 PL. Okay, so first of all, I need to figure out which is my base. I know the base is at the bottom. There's my base. Hello. Okay, so perimeter means I need to add the sides of the base together. This is a square, so all the sides are 35, 35, 35, 35. So I'm doing 35. I mean, you could do plus 35, plus 35, plus 35. So I'm going to add those together, typing in Desmos. And I get 140. Okay, so that's my P, is 140. Great. My L, my slant height, is right here, this dotted line right there, from the top to the middle of this side. That's going to be a 53. So I'm going to plug that in for L, is 53. And we know that 1/2 is just in the formula, so I'm just dropping that down into the front. And then we just got to type in Desmos. So we're going to type that all in. Typing, here we go. So 1/2, 140 times 53. And we get 3710. So that is my lateral, what am I writing? 3710 was the answer, okay? Okay, so this one, we're going to do total surface area. So we're on total surface area. We write our formula, 1/2 PL plus B. I need to figure out which side is the base. I see the one on the bottom down here. Handily, it's already shaded in for you. Okay, so I need to do perimeter of the base for P. So I'm adding my sides together. So 12 plus 10.2. This side over here is also 10.2. So we're going to add those together. 12 plus 10.2 plus 10.2. That's a dot. Okay, so let's add that up. 12 plus 10.2 plus 10.2 is 32.4. That's P. Okay, my slant height, where is it? Here we go. It's slanted, it's on the side, it's 15. So I'm gonna plug that in, 15. And then I'm putting my 1/2 in the front, because that's where it goes. Bringing the plus sign down. And now I gotta figure out what is big B. So I need to pick a formula. Now, what shape is my base? Mine is a triangle. So the formula for triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay, so I'm going to do 1/2 times. What is the base of the triangle? Is 12 times the height of that triangle down there is 10. Now I can type it all in decimals, all at the same time. Okay, so here we go. Can I remember all these numbers? Probably not. Here we go. 1/2. I've already forgotten. 32.4 times 15 plus 1/2 times 12 times 10. Close parentheses. What did I get? 303. Okay, you just type it all in at once, and it makes life easy for you. Okay. Last one says, what? Find the volume. So here's my pyramid. I am going to write the formula for volume of a pyramid. V equals 1/3 big B times H. Okay, big B. We know we gotta pick a formula. So I need to figure out what shape is my base this time. I look at my picture. Where is the base? It's down at the bottom. Here we go. Shading it in. Okay, and that shape is a rectangle. What formula do I use for a rectangle? Base times height. So what is the base of this rectangle down here is 17 times the height is 32. I'm dropping down that 1/3 in the front because that's just part of the equation. I don't need to substitute. And then my height of the pyramid is this line in the middle that I just drew through is 24. 24. So then I'm going to type that in. Here we go. 1/3. 17 times something. 32. 32. Parentheses times 24. We're noticing I typed it all in at once and I got 4332. Final answer. For what? 4352. Okay. So make sure you're figuring out which side is the base. Make sure that you're picking a formula for big B. You have to pick something. Okay. So you're going to go ahead and get started on the formative.